How to change Discord password if you forget it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Discord password if you have forgotten it. So without further ado, let's get started. Since changing your password normally requires entering your current one, so we will need to reset it. To do this, simply open the Discord, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. And from there you can simply scroll down and select log out to sign out of your account. And you can confirm your action by simply tapping on log out again. And now you can simply tap on login, and on the login screen you simply need to enter your email or phone number linked to your account. And once you have entered that, simply tap on forgot your password, and after tapping on that, Discord will send a password reset email to your inbox. So open the email and tap on reset password, and this will take you to a Discord web page where you can enter a new password. So enter the new password, and once you're done with that, simply tap on change password. And that's it. That's how you can change Discord password if you have forgotten it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.